Okay, I'm taking a video.
Okay, this is the Sebo Automatic X1 made in Germany. It's self-adjusted pile, so as you go from hardwoods to carpet, it automatically adjusts the height. No touching necessary. It's got a quick release beater brush. Press this button, pull that out. Bam! Look at that. How cool is that? No, you don't have to pull the bottom off. You don't have to pull any belts off. You just slide it back in. Adjust it here. Line that up. Done. Well, beater brush is clean. Here's the best part, and you gotta get in those little grooves. Look at that. Bam! Look at this. Just goes right in. Oh yeah, see this? And you get all this crap. There's no attachments you have to put on, but if you do need to get into something fine, here you got your little crevice tool. Look at that, man! You can really get in there. No muss, no fuss. Goes right back here, just like that. See? Bam!
Are you going to sell me this vacuum without turning it on?
You don't need to. You don't need to. And then look how fast you can get the bag out.
Amazing Leaves never had a replacement bag in this thing.
That's the, that light indicates that it's adjusting for the carpet height. Now it's adjusted. Ready to go.
And how much did you buy this vacuum for?
They wanted $8. I got it for $5. Made in Germany. This is like the Porsche. This is like the Porsche of vacuum.
Just missed his calling.
It's quiet too.
Should have been a vacuum salesman. He loves to vacuum.
Oh, look how fast you can get this out.
Okay.